Hi guys, it's Lana here, and today I want to show you how you can do this hairstyle that I was wearing in quite a few of my recent videos, maybe like one or two, and it's basically just because I couldn't be bothered to wash my hair, and then I realized that you guys kind of liked this hairstyle, so I'm gonna make the video for you guys. So this is gonna work for you if you need to wash your hair, if you want to protect your hair, because this is a protective hairstyle basically. Your hair is in buns, so the cold weather is not attacking it, the ends are tucked away, and most of your hair is tucked away, so it's protected and it just looks really cute. You know, you could do this on first day hair if you wanted to, freshly washed hair. You could do it like whenever you want because it just looks cute, okay? It just looks cute. So sit down, hit that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe. I am posting a video every single day in January. It's gonna be really hard. I might not survive. So make sure that your notifications are turned on so that you don't miss those uploads. Also get me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. I will leave it all there and linked down below so that you guys can follow me if you wish to. You might not want to, but I hope that you do want to. And I think that we can grow our little Sunbeam family to 100k soon. Let's go ahead and get into the video. So you know those days where you've been wearing your hair in a bun for days on end and it looks like this, and it doesn't matter what you try to do with it, it just looks like that. You've got it all stretched out, your fringe looks like this, and it just needs washing. So then I go ahead and I split my hair into two, and then I take my Shockwaves gel. So I have this linked down below. I've been using it a lot lately. I think it just works really well just to get my hair looking really sleek and smooth. So I just go and run that all through my hair like this at the roots. And then I go ahead and I comb that through just to get my hair looking kind of neat. Because if I didn't do this, then my hair really would look like a mess. So this pretty much saves me. So then I take a hair tie. So the hair ties that I use, they don't have any metal on them. They are just like made of fabric all the way around. So those are the ones I use. So I go ahead and I wrap that nice and tightly around my ponytail. And I like to do this really high up and really close to the center of my head. That's how I get those Mickey Mouse kind of buns. So then I go ahead and do the exact same thing on the other side, using that Shockwaves gel just to get my hair looking really sleek and smooth. Taking my comb just to make sure that the hair runs smoothly up into the ponytail, and then I go ahead and I wrap it around. I think I wrapped it around maybe 3 or 4 times just to make sure that it was nice and tight. Not too tight though, because this can give you a headache, and we don't want a headache. We just want to protect our hair and have it looking cute. So if it starts to give you a headache, then you know you wrapped it too tightly. So just, you know, just make it comfortable. And I try to make sure that these two are matching as much as possible so that they are the same height on my head, the same distance from the parting. So I wondered if I could leave it like that actually, but no, we're going to do the buns. So for the next part, you're going to need to take some bobby pins. So all you need to do is just wrap your hair really gently. So I just do it like this, and then I go ahead and I wrap it around itself. So I just do it really, really gently. I tuck it underneath the bun, and then I just pin it in place. So I use about 3 or 4 bobby pins on each bun. You can use more or less. It's completely up to you. And it's really just to get the shape that you want for the bun. And it just really helps to tuck it all in and have it feel nice and secure. So go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. By wrapping it, you're also helping to protect the ends and keep it safe from the cold weather and any other kind of damage that you can get. So now you just need to do something with this fringe. So we're going to need to get it moisturized. We're going to use a little bit of H2O. So now that your hair's wet, you can actually do something with it. I'm gonna use some curl formers. So I got actually gifted these curl formers. These are the little mini corkscrew ones, and these are good for if you have short hair. They're perfect for my fringe. There are 2 colors of curl former, and it just means that one of them goes clockwise and the other one goes anti-clockwise. So you just need to slide the hook into the curl former and then it's good to go. So I'm just going to wrap my hair around the hook, and then I pull the hook through the curl former, and then it's done. So I go ahead and do that again on this one. It's really easy, and if your hair is too long, like if it comes out of the bottom of the curl former, then you can just wiggle it down a little bit and then it'll be fine. So I'm using blue on this side because I want the opposite curl pattern on the other side of my fringe. So just wrap your hair around the hook and slide the hook through the curl former like this, and then you're done. Well, you need to wait for it to dry. So at this point, this is when I would usually do my makeup, but obviously I already did my makeup because I'm filming this for you guys. So I'm just gonna wait for that to dry. And when it's done, you just slide the coil former off of your hair and you have this beautiful little ringlet. It's so cute. They're so cute and they're so easy to do and heatless, except this one. I don't know what happened to that one. Now we can fix that one. Yeah, just spin it around your finger a little bit. So I didn't want them to stay like that. I wanted to make them look a little bit more natural. So I just went ahead and I picked at the roots and I separated them a little bit and I just made it look a little bit more natural. So I just played with that a little bit and got it looking how I wanted it to look, and that is the final hairstyle. This is how I've been wearing my hair. I really hope that you guys love it. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you did. Also, don't forget to leave me comments and suggestions for the videos that are going to come in January. That is going to be a video every single day. That's 31 videos. I have an idea for about 15 videos so far. That's only half the videos. So I need you guys to give me suggestions. Like, what do you want to see? New Year's vlogolution, like a resolution? Leave me a comment down below and tell me what your New Year's resolution is. Are we still doing New Year's resolutions in 2018? So I just want to say thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!